Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to easily connect your Xbox Series X controller to your Android phone. So for this video, using the good old Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Man, this phone is just so good. Unfortunately though, I bought it second hand, battery life's horrible, so I don't use it that much. But maybe I'll buy a new one when they release the Gen 3. Let me know what Android phone you're using in the comment section down below. And also, if this video goes on to help you out, make sure to smash like. So first things first, we want to turn on our controller. And there might be a possibility that your Xbox console also turns on. That's okay. So once this is on, we're going to open up the settings app of our device. And then we're going to find connections. Bluetooth. I'm going to turn on Bluetooth. And so we'll just wait for it to do its thing. And now what we want to do is, the Xbox definitely turned on. So next thing we're going to do is, you see this button at the top. It's hard to tell, but you see it's right here. Just hold this down. And very soon you can see now the controller is going to start blinking. And when this controller is blinking, make sure you keep on holding down this button. And eventually, we should see... Jesus Christ, why did it just turn off? Eventually, we should see our controller show up. So I don't know why it's not showing up, to be honest. I've decided to release the share button. So we'll just go back in. There we go, Xbox wireless controller. We'll tap on this. So you see it was a bit buggy, but we'll just tap on this. Okay. And there it is. Our Xbox controller is now paired to our Android device. Now, it does recommend that you get the Xbox Game Pass. You don't actually need that to, connect the controller. And you can see now with the controller, I'm able to control my Android device. So if I click up on the D-pad, you can see it's selecting stuff and down. You get the point, right? It's doing all that good stuff. So if we go back, see? The B button goes back inside the settings. What about this button? And this is a home button. Okay. So this opens up apps. So you can control the operating system, although I don't think you're going to be using, a controller for that. Instead, you're going to be using that to play games. Do keep in mind, even though you've connected your Xbox controller, not all games are going to support it. That's just how it goes. I think Minecraft supports the Xbox Series X controller, although I don't have Minecraft. I have it on my iOS device, but I have to repay it for my Android, so I'm not going to do that. I don't really have any applications to test. Fortnite's out of date, for example. And so, that's really all there is to it. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to smash like. If you're wondering, how can I connect my Xbox back to my Xbox Series X? I do have a tutorial now to do that. I recommend you search on YouTube how to connect Xbox controller to Xbox Series X, and you'll see my video pop up. Just click on that one, and see you guys later. Bye-bye.